What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today we moving around. Once again, we got a little sunshine, but I feel like the rain gonna come. Once again, the rain gonna come. So, man, I'm moving around. I got some stuff. Got to get from each. Boy, y'all just don't know. Boy, you're in the hangout. I've been having video coming, but boy, I've been spending nickel. This car been nickel and diming me to death, man. Been nickel and diming me to death. So today, this video, since I'm doing this, I thought it'd be a good topic. I did it before. I'm gonna do y'all a real serious breakdown on, like I said, the built versus bought. Cause you got them people out there, man. Why you don't build some? Well, what the? Well, what? What's after me? Why you don't build this and this and this? You know them people that say that, man. But hey, I'm finna tell y'all why. This is my last build. My last build from scratch. I'm gonna say that. My bad. Let me reword it. I know the title kind of misleading, but let me reword it. It's my last build from scratch. I'm gonna tell y'all why. But in the meantime, I got most stuff to drop off from Summit. I next dated cause I'm trying. Y'all know my goal, man. I said we're gonna have oil pressure meet in 60 days from the day they start. It been well under 60 days. It been well under 60 days, so we well beyond that. But y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get to this video. Gonna be another good one. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, we checking in. So look where I'm at. I told y'all, man, this junk get expensive, man. I'm telling you, I got a good video. This gonna be a good video for y'all today, man. This junk get expensive. I had to come way up here for this right here, and I gotta get me a battery too, cause I forgot I had a side pole battery. I came way up here because I bought them high headers, man, and they didn't have no collectors, so you have to get collector extensions right here. Come with the gaskets. Best believe I'm using them. So y'all stay tuned. Run this stuff back and turn y'all back on. All right, we're checking in. So look. We back, man, after that long drive. Got them, and I went ahead and picked up a battery while I was up there too, man. This is an optimal red top. I like forget it. So today's total, that would have been 76, but I had $45 Summit bucks. This joker here was $270, and then $140. So $400 yesterday, $400 today. But I'm gonna end. Y'all stay tuned to the video, man. I'm gonna tell you why I'm done building cars, man. I'm gonna get to the title of this video, baby. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So back from running around. Like I said, this is the day I done shot y'all 2 videos, man. I shot y'all 2 videos. Been working in addition to just getting back. So just got back, and man, I'm gonna tell y'all. Let me go over this, man. Listen to me third. Let me go over this with y'all. Hey, man, that built not bought. People that be talking about people cause they buy other people's stuff. Hey, man, leave them folks alone, man. I don't know why people talking about that. You crazy. And the prices these people put on these cars for a reason. When y'all be seeing them 40, 50, 60,000, people be thinking, man, you crazy. If he's selling it or she's selling it for that much, they probably got 80 in it, 85. No lie, man. Cause I'm telling you, I said I had said at one point in time, I said, if I sold Dolo, with that price ain't the same no more, but if I had sold Dolo, man, it would have been 30. At the time, somebody looked at me like I was crazy. Somebody would have, like 30. Man, the car ain't even painted, man. Ain't clean, no interior. It's in the drivetrain, man. Like, people don't be knowing what you got in there. I said 30, so I got more than 30 in it. And y'all know I ain't capping. Cause y'all seen me. Y'all see me buy everything new. I document every single thing I do. Y'all know I ain't capping. Every single part on my engine new, everything. So, meat. Listen, man. I'm just gonna give y'all these 2 days. So today, I spent $1,000, man. $1,000. For meat, parts, $1,000. Yesterday, I spent $400 in meat. For meat, everything I needed. That's $1,400 in 2 days. That's solely for meat, man. It wasn't no other car, wasn't no buying stuff for multiple cars. It was meat. $1,400. Now y'all saw me, man. I dropped over 10 in Summit. So I think it was 10,600 something. I looked at the receipt the other day because I had to take one thing back off of that thing. But no, I didn't take nothing back because they had used it. So you talking about that's $12,000 right there. Plus the 2,000 and some chain parts I kept from last year when I was finna put meats together the first time. So you talking about $14,000 right now in stuff that goes around meats. Not the engine. That's not counting the cost of the engine. That's stuff that goes around meats. And meats don't even have no shoes on it. That's why I said, I kept telling people, when meats coming, when meats coming. I said, man, I'm gonna save meats for last. And this ain't even the real motor. This ain't the final motor for meats. But I kept saying, I'm gonna save meats for last because I know how much it's gonna take. I know what I want. And it still ain't done. I still got to buy shocks, man. Then I got an $850 drive shaft in the car. Like, man, the little pinion yoke is like $200 something, almost $300, man. Like, man, it's stuff like that, man, that people don't see. Like, they jump high. So when you building, you think about it now. I done spent 14, 15 that I can count right now. Quick, man. Like, we talking about 2 months. So I spent about 15. That's what I can count right now, and that's just because it been within 2 months. Now, when I get to adding up everything else, it joke gonna get high. So you talking about that, and look at what you can buy for 15 to 20. Hell, you can buy John Jones. Somebody could have bought John Jones for 25. You can't put that car together for 25,000. So speaking of that, if you ain't got in that contest, you better get in, man. I'm giving 30 days to get them slot filled. It's already under 200 and it's already under 240 positions left now. So go get your spot, man. Go ahead and enter $100. Go to the website browncoatgang.com. Go ahead and get your spot, man. Somebody gonna win that car. Now, in the case of the spots not filling, everybody money go back. Everybody money go back, man. Then I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to plan B. But if the spots don't fill, everybody, I'm refunding everybody money, man, cause they paying. I'm not touching it at all. And when that timer, it's a timer, it's a countdown timer on my website. When that timer hits 0, if no spots not filled, I'm just sending everybody money back. Cause I'm not lowballing myself on that car, man. I ain't doing it, cause I know what it's worth. I know how much it takes to build these cars, man. They what my boy Jesse and them is saying. They were like, man, you really know. You really know your stuff, man. You know your parts and all that. And it because I done built so many cars, man. I already know. I done put together so many projects. Like, look how many cars y'all seen me do in the time that a few of y'all been watching me. In 2 year time. How many cars I done did. So when I say, if you want, you got to have your heart right in your pockets. If you want to build your car from scratch, you got to have your pockets right. And that's why most of the time you see most people doing one car at a time, man. They literally doing one car. If them people building a car from scratch, they doing that one car called it takes some deep pockets. And y'all see I done did 2 from scratch. Man, it ain't no joke, man. It ain't for the weak-hearted. It ain't for the weak-hearted, man. I'm telling you, it is between them 2, it gonna be over 100. Just in the 2 boxes. It's gonna be over 100. Just them 2. Well over 100. So That's why people get to doing one car at a time. That's why these don'ts, like these verts, it's easy to put 100K in a don't, because of the cost of parts, convertibles and stuff, all this stuff. You adding in more labor, more parts. And we ain't even count labor, we just talking about part. You adding in more parts, so stuff get high. So if you got a box with a souped up drivetrain, it's not. You can have 60 and 70 in a box Chevy, yes, a G body. You can do it. You can do it. Take Dolo, man. Meats on his way, and Meats ain't even had weight. Dolo got 26s on it and all this stuff. Meats ain't even got no rim, man. It's already high, man. But it's cause it's a big block. Big block still high. When the 632 get done. So I'm telling you, man, that's why I said I'm finished. I'm not building no more cars from scratch. Not nothing of those caliber. I'm not building no more cars from scratch, man. Y'all might see me do some budget stuff, and I mean, like a little bit, engine hopped up a little bit beyond stock, cause I'm gonna start doing giveaways and stuff. But a little bit beyond stock, something that the average working person can do within a timely manner. And I said that because I'm not saying it ain't nothing out of reach for nobody. If a person working a 9 to 5, they doing their thing, and they busting their ass, they can afford to put together a $70,000 or $80,000 car. It's just gonna take longer. Everybody can afford it though. I don't never say you can't afford this, but that's why I said I'm gonna start doing stuff that the average working person can afford to do in a more timely manner. You know what I'm saying? More reasonable time. Cause junk ain't for the weak-hearted, man. I promise you. I promise you, man. If people knew to have $1,400 in 2 days, I'm not capping, man. $1,400 in 2 days. I'm like, man, I'm so ready to get this over with. I really am, man. I'm ready to get this over with. And I'm just in that zone. I got tunnel vision, cause y'all know it always been one of my goals to have the whole fleet running at one time. I want to have everything in yard running. And Meeks was the oddball out, and now I'm waiting on Dolo engine. So now Dolo finna be the oddball out. So just think about it, man. That's why I like buying cars that's 60% done, 70% done. It's a little bit to do, but it ain't a whole heap of stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? And it still get hot in. Cause man, this junk here crazy, man. So y'all got to take it from me, man. Somebody that doing it both ways. Y'all saw me build from scratch. This number 2. Y'all see me do cheapskate from scratch too. But then y'all see me take some stuff that 50-60% and turn it, make my own, taking into account R&B, John Jones. So and now finna be Black Haven. Even though Black Haven gonna end up being from scratch too, almost, cause I'm already done. I'm touching a lot of stuff. Rear end got to be done, so it pretty much from scratch. I'm gonna say it probably 50% done. It ain't 60. It's 50. I done went in the gas tank and all that stuff, man. You know everything. So, but yeah, man, y'all I just want to come to y'all with this video, man. Just think about that, man. The built versus bought stuff, and that's why I titled the video. I mean, I know it seemed a little extreme. Hold on, y'all. I know it seemed a little extreme, but man, it was the truth. I mean, I'm done building cars, not as a whole, but I'm done building cars from scratch. It just cost too much. It cost too much, man. You want to take something to, you know, put your own rims on and all that, it's all good, man. But the junk is not for the weak-hearted. So, yeah. I'm tired, man. I ain't ate nothing, man. I'm finna go eat, man. So, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.